Hi guys, so for today's activity we are going to make slime. There's a ton of different ways that you can make slime using cornstarch, glue, water, but today we're going to use 3 different things. So we're going to use Elmer's glue, we are also going to use shaving cream, and liquid Tide detergent. Alright, so those are the 3 things we're going to use, and by the time we're done it should look like what I have here in this bowl. So hold on. So it should look something like this. Now when you make slime you can add food coloring, but I don't have any, so it's going to stay this clearish tinted grayish color. Alright, so to begin we're going to add some glue. We're not going to add a lot of it. We're going to add enough to kind of fill up the bottom portion of our bowl, okay? So so about like that. That much at the bottom, okay? Now we're gonna add some shaving cream. And when you're trying to figure out how much glue to add, or shaving cream, or even the liquid detergent, it just depends. It's kind of touch and go. So I'll show you once we add the shaving cream in. We'll mix it up and then we'll go from there and see if we need to add more shaving cream or glue before we add the detergent, okay? So let's add the shaving cream. Alright. Okay, so the shaving cream is in here, as you guys can see. And now, we're gonna mix it up. Now you can use a spoon, or like a wooden spoon or anything to mix it up. But just from doing my example, I realized that it's easier to just use your hands and really get in there. So I'm gonna use my hand. I'm gonna get in there. And we're gonna mix it up. So I'm gonna go all the way in. Hopefully you guys can kind of see me. Just like this. So you have to mix, we're gonna mix it all up all together. And by adding in the shaving cream, it kind of gives it this fluffy texture, which is what we like. So as you guys can kind of see, it's still kind of watery a little bit, and that's not really what we want. So I think we're gonna add a little bit more shaving cream, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the detergent. So shaving cream, just a little bit more. As you guys can see, I added it, and now we're gonna go in and add that together again. Alright, so now it kind of looks like that. Now we're gonna add our liquid detergent, and if you guys can kind of see up close, I didn't add a lot. When I first tried this activity, I added way too much detergent and it didn't come out right. It was too liquidy and I couldn't even mix it together. So what I learned is that when we add the detergent, we're gonna add just a little bit at first, mix it in, and then if it's still not what we want, we'll add a little bit more and then mix it in together. All right, so I'm gonna add the first little bit. Okay, and as you guys can see, it's really not a lot at all. And now we're gonna mix it all together. Okay, and so since mixing it in, it's starting to kind of get that sticky, gluey texture. So that tells me we need to add a little bit more detergent. And then we're going to mix it together again. Alright, so let's add a little bit more. Okay. So now that we've added that, it kind of has this more of this sticky texture. So now I'm just gonna keep molding it a little bit. So that I can really get the slime type of feeling. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna keep molding this until I get that slime type of feeling. But while I do this, if you guys can, definitely let me know what other ways you know of making slime. I've never made slime before until now, so this is very interesting to me. So definitely tell me if you know other ways to make slime, or the different things that you like to put in slime. And maybe I will do another video adding that type of stuff in. So, alright, now it's starting to look like slime. It's also very sticky. So again, if for some reason it comes out sticky like this and you don't like it, you can go back and add more glue or shaving cream. I don't really mind. It's not a big deal. But look, now we've made our slime. And now it's just about continuing to mold it until you kind of get the texture that you want. So as we continue to play with it and stretch it and things like that, it'll become less sticky and easier to manage. And there you go. We've just made slime using glue, shaving cream, and liquid Tide detergent. So we have the one we made, and then we also have the one I made ahead of time to kind of get an idea of what was going to be happening. So again, if you guys can, definitely let me know if you have any other ways that you know how to make slime, or any other things that you like to put in slime, like food coloring, glitter, things like that. And I will definitely see if I can make it and show you guys. So I hope you liked, and I'll see you next time.